When I was asked what happened during the job simulation that surprised me the most, I'd have to say how much thought and coordination goes into the planning, even in the earliest stages of the project, and just purely the amount of strategy before any system development starts was really unexpected. When asked what was the most fulfilling part of the job simulation, I'd have to say creating the MVP roadmap and the executive summary slide. It was very rewarding to see how the different pieces came together and all lined up in one direction. The least fulfilling part was the repetitive nature of documenting activities or formatting. It felt more like admin work. Uh, when asked what does that suggest to me about my interests and values, I value high level thinking, strategic planning, and seeing how work drives impact. When asked what happened during the simulation that contradicted my beliefs, nothing really contradicted my beliefs, but I did think consulting was always fast paced and high pressure. When I actually got into it, I saw how much of the work requires patience and structure. Something the job simulation suggests about my weaknesses and opportunities for develop. I feel like I could strengthen my attention to detail and patience with certain tasks. There's also an opportunity to improve on how I communicate project details. What strengths did the simulation help me identify? It helped me identify how good I am at thinking strategically and breaking down complex information and connecting project goals to business needs. I also feel like I communicate very well with higher ups or executives. What might I do differently because of the simulation and my reflection on it? I'm going to approach large projects with more respect for the planning and the discovery stages.